Improve grade accuracy by adjusting how ungraded assignments are handled in the Brightspace Gradebook.
Click Manage Grades to access the grade management area where you can adjust gradebook settings. Click the Settings button to open additional settings related to grade calculations within your gradebook. Click Calculation Options to view and modify how grades are calculated in your course. Click Drop Ungraded Items to configure the gradebook to exclude ungraded assignments from calculations. Click Save to apply the changes made to the grade calculation options. Click Yes to confirm and finalize the updated gradebook settings. Click Close to exit the calculation options and return to the main gradebook interface. Click Enter Grades to begin inputting or reviewing student grades with the new settings applied. You have successfully configured your gradebook to handle ungraded items by treating them as 0, ensuring accurate grade calculations. You can now proceed to enter or review grades with these updated settings.
Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.